Hello, this is Urmita. I am a student of BCom Foreign Trade. This is my model, and I have an idea of what foreign trade is. We trade goods from India to other countries. So how the good is produced and manufactured from different parts so that they are exported to be a part of the GDP, economic level. So I wanted just to depict all the informations within a very cartoonish manner so that people can get up the idea of what it's all about and grab without any help. They can look at it and have an idea of how the goods are being flowed, and very simple and basic so that people can't be that we have to read it and something like that. I just want them to have a look and and grab information. So a good, it started from taking an order. I had a misconception of goods are first manufactured, but doing this project I came to know it's first ordered. We have to order it, then we have to book a shipping space. So I had a perception that first we manufacture things, then come up with the orders and all. So my seniors gave me an idea that why it is not manufactured first. It's not manufactured because we can't waste our resources. So first we take an orders, then come up with the shipping space is there or not. We can't keep our manufactured goods and orders in pending, and we can't keep our manufacturing things stored in the silos and storage packs. So we first need to book the shipping cart, then come to the decision of paying pre-advance to the payment. If we are paying pre-advance, then we have a secured space. If not, then it's a different individual informative task. Then it's manufacturing. Once order is done, then comes the shipping process, then the pre-advancement, and then the manufacturing. After manufacturing, it's inspection. Whether the product is a quality check or not, whether it is satisfying our needs or not, is the inspection team does. Then comes the paying of excise duty. To come up something with export and imports, we do it with excise duties, which are extra tariffs which we pay to our goods to make them import and export to other countries and coming up from other countries. And now comes loading of the goods on the deck. We have to check what are the orders, what we have manufactured and what is in the deck. We have to all checklist is there. Then comes the bill of lading. Bill of lading is the confirmation it is being ladded to the storage concern. If the goods are there in the storage, it's having a confirmation bill that it's a bill of lading. Then comes the clearing of customs duties. We have paid the pre-advance customs and then the excise duties. We need to pay back the whole payment amount. So it's clearing of custom duties. Then comes the mate's receipt. Mate's receipt is once it's been delivered to the export port or something like that, we have a mate's receipt. We have delivered our point of work. It's your point that you have to sell it or not. Then it's Incoterms. Incoterms means having a graph over the GDP and what are the cons and pros of this good. So that's all about my model. I hope you will like it. I am from ETHIMS Degree College. This college is having an innovative idea of grabbing knowledge with education. Educated is a simple line, which means having a degree, studying few pages and getting a degree. But in ETHIMS Degree College, we come up with an innovative idea of every event where people learn team management, we learn time management, we learn making relations with customs firms, and a value-added education it's all about. My favorite teacher, I have three favorite teachers. I have Sahira ma'am as my favorite, I have Amina ma'am as my favorite, and I have Vittal sir. So Vittal sir is very keen with us to be a part of our life, a part of our education, literally things. And Sahira ma'am is a guardian for me in this new city. I'm very new to Hyderabad. And Amina ma'am is was my mentor for the first sem, which I had a long walk with her. So that's all I would say about my faculty teams.